Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to discuss about activity sheet 3, prefixes and suffixes. For this, we have to understand what is prefix and what is suffix. At first, we learn about prefixes. The word prefix itself has the meaning that is prefixing. It means that fixing letters before the word to change its meaning. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a word that changes the word's meaning. Word part means letters added at the beginning of a word. Look at this table. Some common prefixes and their meanings with examples have given here. Look at the table. Prefix dis. Its meaning is not or opposite of. Dis plus satisfied, that is dissatisfied. Dis is a prefix added to the word satisfied. Miss. Its meaning is wrongly. Miss plus spell, that is misspell. Miss is a prefix added to the word spell. Then un. Un means not. Un plus acceptable, unacceptable. Un is a prefix added to the word acceptable. Then re. Re is a prefix, its meaning is again. Re plus election, that is re-election. Re-election, in this word, re is a prefix added to the word election. Un, in, miss, im, re and dis are some of the common prefixes. Look at page number 65, activity sheet 3, prefixes. Look at the yellow box given there. Letters added at the beginning of a word to change its meanings are known as prefixes. For example, tidy, untidy. Un is the prefix there. Agree, disagree. Dis is the prefix there. Polite, impolite. Im is the prefix there. Complete, incomplete. In is the prefix there. Fortune, misfortune. Miss is the prefix there. Write, rewrite. Re is the prefix there. Un, in, miss, im, re, dis are some of the common prefixes. Look at A. Use the prefixes to make new words. Open. Which prefix we add here? Re. The word changed to reopen. Then lead. Which prefix we add here? Miss. That is mislead. 3. Understand. Misunderstand. 4. Create. Recreate. Tie. Untie. Happy. Unhappy. Please. Displease. Respect. Disrespect. Justice. Injustice. Visit. Revisit. Possible. Impossible. Usual. Unusual. So, re, miss, un, dis, in, im are the prefix added to these words to change its meaning. Now look at B. Fill in the blanks with the prefixed forms of the words given in brackets. The words given in brackets, we use prefix to each word and change the word and rewrite the sentence. First sentence, my school dash on 1st June. Which word is given in bracket? Opens. So we can add re to the word opens. Now the sentence is changed to my school reopens on 1st June. Second sentence, Reena saw an dash bird in the zoo. Usual is the word given in the bracket. So we use un. So the word is changed to unusual. Reena saw an unusual bird in the zoo. Look at third sentence. We should not dash anyone. Respect is the word given in the bracket. So the sentence is changed to we should not disrespect anyone. They dash what I said. The words in bracket is understood. So we can rewrite the sentence using miss. Then the sentence is changed to they misunderstood what I said. Look at fifth sentence. Let her dash the note. Here the word is tie. So we can use un. So the word is changed to untie. Sentence is changed to let her untie the knot. Look at page number 66. Suffixes. Look at the yellow box. Letters added at the end of a word to change its meaning are known as suffixes. For example, paint, painter. ER is added to the word paint. Gift, gifted. ED is added to the word gift. Fruit, fruitful. FUL is added to the word fruit. Fear, fearless. LESS is added to the word fear. Red, reddish. ISH is added. Mind, mindless. LESS is added. ER, ED, FUL, LESS and ISH are some of the common suffixes. That is ed, full, less, ish are some of the common suffixes. Look at A. Use the suffixes to make new words. Sing. Which letters are added to the word sing? The letters added at the end of the word. That is suffix. Sing, singer. Shame, shameful. FUL is added. Joy, joyful. Learn, learner. Hope, hopeful or hopeless. Both are correct. Then rest, restless. Child, childish. ISH is added. Self, selfish. Home, homeless. Help, helpful. Fear, fearful. Old, older. These are some suffixes added to the word to change its meanings. Then look at B. Filling the blanks with the suffixed form of the words given in brackets. Some words are given there in brackets. We should add the suffixes. We should add suffix to each word and change the sentences. First sentence, birds become dash when trees are cut. Here the word in bracket is home. So we can add LESS to the word home to get the word homeless. So the sentence is changed to birds become homeless when trees are cut. Second sentence, it was a dash evening. Word in bracket is fruit. So we add FUL to the word fruit. The sentence is changed to it was a fruitful evening. Third sentence, my brother is dash than me. We add ER to the word old to get the suffixed form of the word. So the sentence is changed to my brother is older than me. Look at fourth sentence. The dash crocodile tried to trick the monkey. The word in bracket is self. So we can add ISH to get the suffixed form of the word self. So the sentence is changed to the selfish crocodile tried to trick the monkey. Fifth sentence. The evening sky had a dash color. The word in bracket is red. So we add ISH to get the suffixed form of the word red. So the sentence is changed to the evening sky had a reddish color. വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്സ് മാറ്റുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി വേർഡിൻ്റെ ബിഗിനിങ്ങിലോ എൻഡിലോ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇങ്ങനെ വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ ബിഗിനിങ്ങിൽ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് മീനിങ്സ് മാറ്റുന്നതിനെ പ്രിഫിക്സ് എന്നും വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ എൻഡിൽ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് മീനിങ്സ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ സഫിക്സ് എന്നും പറയുന്നു. അൺ, ഇൻ, മിസ്, ഇം, റി ആൻഡ് ഡിസ് ആർ സം കോമൺ പ്രിഫിക്സസ്. സാധാരണ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രിഫിക്സുകളാണ്. ഇവ വേർഡിൻ്റെ തുടക്കത്തിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് വേർഡിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്സ് മാറ്റാം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ER, ED, FUL, LESH ആൻഡ് ISH ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എർ, എഡ്, full, less and ish are some common suffixes. We should add these suffixes to the end of the word. അതായത് വേർഡിൻ്റെ അവസാനം ഈ ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് വേർഡ് മീനിങ്സ് മാറ്റാം. ഇങ്ങനെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ സഫിക്സ് എന്നും പറയുന്നു. You should complete page number 65 and 66 in your textbook. So dear children, that's the end of today's class. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.